Let us see how to draw tangent to circle. We are going to need drawing compass, pencils, set square and scale. Before beginning, I have well sharpened 3 pencils. I am using HB pencils for geometry. I suggest that the size of the pencil for drawing compass should be not greater than this. It should be below this part. Okay, so that later it does not come between our fingers and disturb us. We'll sharpen the pencil in advance 2-3 pencils so that afterwards we are not distracted by a blunt pencil or something like that. Let us begin and see. The pencil is properly fitted here. Then I should pay attention that it is not loose, otherwise it will disturb us afterwards. Suppose we are drawing circle with radius 3 cm. So first I'll take the measure on the side of page. This is our starting point. We have to take distance of 3 cm, so it comes somewhat here. In this way I get both my hands to use. This is starting point, this is it point. Make it a habit to prick it a bit. Okay, so it will tell you when the pencil exactly fits there. Okay, whenever we are using the compass, we should confirm that it is properly fitted there, it is firmly put there. Okay, see, if I try to move it, the notebook will move. So this point should not move anywhere. I have taken the distance. I will hold here. Okay, and draw the circle. It is very important that your diagram is well labeled. I have taken radius of 3 cm. So I will write there radius of 3 cm. Center O. Now we are going to draw tangent. Suppose I am drawing tangent from this point. Okay, tangent is a line which just touches the circle in single point. So if I have to draw tangent, I have to make sure that it is perfectly perpendicular to the radius. This is the radius. I have to make sure that it is perpendicular to the radius in the contact point, point of contact. Okay, it should not go like this or this. It should be perfectly perpendicular at the point of contact. It should not go inside the circle. This is tangent to the circle. This is point of contact. Now we'll see how it is geometrically constructed. While drawing, at any time, we are not supposed to touch this part. When drawing arcs, we'll touch here. While drawing circle, we'll hold here. Okay. I've already taken the distance of 3 cm. I'll make that the point is firm here. Okay. It is very, very important. Then I will hold here and draw circle. See, while rotating, I am not putting it straight. I am tilting it a bit. Okay, it will smoothly draw a circle. Second step, I will label it. Radius is 3 cm. Center is O. Theoretically, the tangent should be perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Okay. So I have to make sure that while drawing, it comes perpendicular at the point of contact. So for that, for drawing a tangent, I will draw a ray from the center. I am concerned with this point, only this point. Okay. So outside it goes, it doesn't matter. This is point of contact. Now I have to make sure that the line which I am going to draw, the tangent, it should be perpendicular. The distance of radius is already taken. We'll decrease it a bit, okay? उसके बाद में while taking arcs, I will hold here this part, this pointed part. As I told you, we are not supposed to touch this. It is not desirable. It will change the distance. So now while drawing arcs, I will touch here. I'll put the compass here. One arc inside and one arc outside. Okay. Now I'll increase the distance bit. Okay. It should go beyond this point. Now I am going to use these 2 points intersected by the arcs. I'll put the compass here and here. By putting here, I'll take an arc here. Again, see, I am never holding this part. By putting here, another arc is taken, and this is point of intersection of arcs. By joining this point and this, I have pricked it bit now, so it will tell me when the pencil exactly comes here. I'll put this point and this point. This is arc. Theoretically, it should be perpendicular, and I have drawn a perpendicular bisector of this ray at this point. So this is our arc, and it is exactly perpendicular to the point of contact, at the point of contact to the radius. This is how to draw a tangent from the given point on the circle.